Sarap to.
Here's our fit! Hey guys, it's Meg. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome! Today is Saturday. It's 7:42 in the morning and we're on our way to the Gray Space at San Juan because Carino, if you guys didn't know Carino is a local clothing brand here in the Philippines and they are celebrating their 5th birthday. So I'm going there to support them and malilate na kami. So, I'm just gonna put on makeup inside the car and I cannot wait to show you my outfit but later na lang yung whole outfit because my whole outfit is from Carino and I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys! We're now here. Nag-iintay lang kami mag-open yung pop-up itself. Start yon ng 11. And oras na ay 10:13 pa lang. Buti na lang maaga kami kasi yung parking space guys sobrang liit lang. We're just waiting for the doors to open. Kaso CCR na kami. Anong meaning? Lucky? Lucky lang. Hindi business. Lucky. Oh! So, tama yung nabili ko. Guys, binilang ko siya nito. Di ko na maalala kung anong year. Anong year nag-Taiwan? Before mag-pandemic. So, 2020. Hindi pa namin alam. Kaya pala nung time na yun, sinabihan kami ng relative namin na nasa Taiwan na mag-mask daw. Kasi may sakit daw na parang kumakalat sa Taiwan nung time na yun. And,
ay pala yung nagdala
oo, mo!
For example, Tetsuwa. Kat, this is Mika.
Hi, so nice to meet you.
So she's gonna claim free gift, surprise gift. Okay. Oh, surprise gift. Okay.
We're here at the Carino pop-up and I got my first freebie. Gave me a free gift. Ito yung Sola Yuzu Burst Glow Toner. Nakikita ko to sa TikTok. I'm really excited. As an eczema girly. Perfecto. Thank you so much, Carino. Ang first agenda namin is to go sa photo booth kasi for sure later madami ng tao. And then, I feel so pampered because all of the merchants may free something ako. So, let's go. Reg. I like this one.
Mabigat.
Hindi naman. Okay lang. Carry lang.
Ganda.
Ako nga eh.
Oo,
parang
bagay sa'yo.
wala kasi akong statement na earring. Sige po, pa-hold po this one. Double check po, please. Yung separated sleeves po to avoid scratches. Then ma'am, here's po the polishing cloth for cleaning po. Thank you.
Gamit yung tripod.
Wala po silang sinabi.
Yung sweet and sour, wala diba? Tapos yung chicken nandito na.
Ito siya, bebe, chicken breast.
Chicken bones.
Ano ba to?
Mali, kulang siya.
How was it, Pansit?
Uy, masarap to. No? Salted fish with chicken. Kaya akong bot.
Ano?
Masarap to. Pero konting prito pa doon.
Hello, uric acid.
Ano? Okay. Beb, kain nyo lahat yan. Okay, so today is Tuesday. It's currently 10:56 a.m. and we are in Makati. So, may ginagawa lang si James and I'm waiting for him inside the car sa parking lot kasi maambon pa. So, I'll just wait for him to finish what he's doing. Tapos, we're gonna probably walk around a little bit. We're not quite sure yet where we're going, pero I've listed some things na pwede namin puntahan, na pwede kaming maglakad going there. So, na lang, konting work while waiting for him. I wanna check out actually yung Baker on East. It's a new cafe. And then, malapit doon is a vintage store. So, I might go there as well. Pero I'm thinking of waiting for James na lang din so he can take my content. And that's the update. After nun, hindi ko pa sure kung anong gagawin namin. And here's me in the parking lot. Kasi actually, medyo antok pa ako eh. So, I'm not quite sure if I wanna go out yet. Like, wala pa ako sa mood maglakad-lakad. I'll see you guys later. Hi guys! Good morning! Today is Feb 14. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Is taking me out for lunch. And andito kami ngayon sa ATC kasi we're gonna try Mamu. And ang tagal ko nang gustong itry yun. And he's gonna take me out! We're gonna eat steak today. By the way, pares kaming parang
Hindi okay.
magkakasakit. Parang nafe-feel na namin. Kasi yung weather sa Lipa, Iba talaga siya. Anyways, our reservation is at 11 a.m. This is the scent of the day. Ito yung Diptyque Fleur de Peau. Papakita ko sa inyo yung fit namin later. Let's go!
Let's go!
Hey guys, here's our fit check.
Kita ba dyan?
I think so. What's your outfit?
Kappa, Banana Republic, tapos Thursday Boot Company.
Mine is from there on, Rumadec, and then yung flats are from H&M. My bag is from Daily Carry. Here's our fit. We're done na with lunch and andito kami ngayon sa Chili's because we're gonna eat dessert. Napag-decide na namin mag-dessert kahit we're not feeling well para sulitin na namin. So kung magkasakit man kami, at least enjoy namin. But anyways, gusto ko lang i-rate yung namin, yung Mamu experience. Siguro from 1 to 10, mga 7 or 7.5. Hindi naman sa hindi masarap. Siguro mataas lang expectation namin kasi parang ang dami na namin na pagtanungan and then nakikita sa TikTok na parang yun yung top 1 nila in terms of steak. Pero feeling ko mas iba pa rin pag yung tipong bibilin mo and then lulutuin mo sa bahay. Iba pa rin yung experience na yun. Pero all in all, okay naman. Maganda yung service. Lagi sila nag-check if how's the food. Ganyan. Okay naman siya. Yun lang naman yung thoughts. Masarap yung truffle pasta. Ikaw?
7 lang siguro. Kasi ang hanap ko kasi yung beefy na lasa. And mas lasa siya sa Bolzico beef. Pero mas malambot tong sa Mamu. Okay yung service. Feeling ko masarap tong dessert dito.
We're gonna try the molten lava cake ba? Ng Chili's.
Oo, masarap yun.
Looks good. Wow. And I taste the ice cream. Cheers. It's yummy. Thankful ako kasi yung weather maganda. Thank you, my Valentine.
Oo, welcome.
Thank you, my forever Valentine.
Oh.